In this lesson, boys and girls, we are reviewing relating multiplication and division. And when we're relating multiplication and division, we are basically taking a look at fact families, okay? So we're going to be using the arrays to help us with these fact families. So let's look at the first array here. Here we see I have 1, 2, 2 columns. So I'll go ahead and put the 2. And I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I'm sorry, I have 2 rows and 5 columns. So if I count all of my circles or count all the circles in the array, I know that I have 10. So 2 times 5 gives me 10. I can use the commutative property now, and I can write it the other way. So if 2 times 5 equals 10, I know that 5 times 2 is also equal to 10, and 10 is my total. So now to do the division parts of these fact families, I'm going to put my total, which is 10, in the first box. Okay, so now I have 10 divided by 5 gives me 2, because there are 2 pieces in each group. So here's 1 group of 2, 2 groups of 2, 3 groups of 2, 4 groups of 2, and 5 groups of 2. Here I'll do the same thing where my total is equal to 10. And this time I'm going to divide it by 2. So here's a group, 1 row, another row. And in each group there is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, so I can say 10 divided by 5 equals 2, and 10 divided by 2 equals 5. Remember, in order for it to be a fact family, the same 3 numbers need to repeat in every sentence. So same 3 numbers in the multiplication sentence, same 3 numbers in the division sentence. So let's take a look at the next 2. Okay, so here, boys and girls, I see stars. I see a group of stars here. So this is row 1, row 2, row 3, and row 4. So I can say that 4 rows times, let's count our columns, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, times 6 columns will give me 24. And 24 again is our total, okay? Now we're going to use the commutative property and switch it. So I'll have 6 times 4 equal to 24. Now for my division part, I'm going to take my total. It says total there, so I'll put 24 here. So 24 divided by 4 will give me 6. And the last one, putting my total back there, 24 divided by 6 will give me 4. Okay, So here we divided, we looked at our rows and we counted how many was in each row. So each row of 4 had 6 in it. And then here we looked at the columns. So we know we had 6 columns and each column had 1, 2, 3, 4. All right. Here's our last one before it's your turn. Okay, let's count our rows. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 5 rows. And how many columns? 1, 2, 3. So we say that 5 times 3 will give us a total of 15. We can use the commutative property and just switch it. So we have 3 times 5, and that also gives us 15. Okay, so our total is 15, and we'll put our total here. So 15 divided by 3 will give us 5. And then 15 divided by 5 will give us 3. Okay, and again, here's our 15. If we look at our 3 columns, 1, 2, and 3, each group has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So that's how we know that 15 divided by 3 will give us 5. And then 15 divided by 5, here's 1 group, 2 groups, 3 groups, 4 groups, and 5 groups. So, and in each group, we have 1, 2, 3. So that's how we get 15 divided by 5 will equal to 3. Once again, every sentence or every number sentence needs to have the same 3 numbers in it, okay, for the multiplication and for the division. All right, so boys and girls, you are going to work on the next few pages on your own. Remember, you can always pause the video, replay. If you have any questions, always reach out. I look forward to seeing you all soon, and take care. Bye-bye for now.